I'm a badass. I heard a chicken. It was like, and I was like, chicken. That sounds good. Hello, Los Angeles. This is Shorty Wise broadcasting from BFE. I mean, yeah, BFE. And it is cloudy with a chance of thunderstorms and chicken! But anyways, further news is my bra is being washed.
No, bro.
So I'm free to be who I want to be.
Is that it?
No, darling. No. There's this old man and he's hard of hearing. He can't hear me right now. He's fixing the clutch on his truck. But that's okay, because he's a nice man. A nice man. Hey, baby. I don't know why you have any friends. Because I sure as hell am not one of them.
You're my girlfriend, not my friend.
That's what you think. So I'm wearing these shoes, and they're white with little purple camouflage, and they're great. They're real comfortable, and I've been running around in them like all day, even though I've only been up for like 5 minutes. But I like them a lot, and I'm gonna wear them every day. Look at these shoes. Look at these shoes. Oh, look at those shoes. Look at those shoes. Hey. What are you doing? Do you want to go out tonight? I think you do.
You have to take me out tonight.
We can go across the field, through the pasture, and gallop with the ponies. That's my date for you. BFE. It's love.